Well, here we are up on some BLM land. This is one of my favorite spots for doing some dispersed camping. And last time I came up here, this is what I found. Somebody decided to dump all their trash up here. All kinds of crap. And it's just beautiful view here. And so somebody decided, well, this is a great place. Let's just dump our trash up here. Bedding and all kinds of crap. Let's just throw it over here. Got their food packages. And, yeah, they decided to, yeah, we'll have some fire up here too. Let's drag up some forklift pellets, because and have a fire where everybody parks. Who cares if there's any nails in there? So I was up here with my RV, the other RV, and this was just too much crap to pick up and take down. So went down and got my smaller RV and the trailer, emptied out the trailer. So take maybe about half an hour, 45 minutes out of my time, and I'll load all this crap up and drag it on out of here and properly dispose of it. Adios.